Hi, welcome to the cabin. Oh my god, you look fine, stop.
I don't want to be filmed. So,
quick summary. I'm gonna wrap this up really quickly because it's like a day later and I'm trying to finish this video. So, this video I was mostly just dedicating the fact that I was trying to get better at a little bit of the filmmaking side. Stop being stupid, oh my god. And I just wanted to get a good edit with Cole's car for him because that's the boy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't worry, new mods coming soon. As always, just keep driving, enjoy yourself. The light's green. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a good day. As always, your boy will catch you in the next one. I'll see you in a couple days. We'll have a new mod going in the car. What? Would you like to do the hand?
Yeah.
And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.